Ruby's Small Kitchen. So welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to make a simple buko salad or coconut salad because my neighbor is craving for something like sweet. And then I said, oh yeah, I have here fruit cocktail and cream and condensed milk. So, but I don't have, of course, coconut. So, you guys are the one to get some coconuts, and I'm the one gonna mix it for you. So, yesterday, they went to the farm and then get some coconut. So here is the coconut today. So right now I'm going to make a coconut salad. So I'm going there outside in their house. So I'm already here outside, and these are our ingredients. And let's drain our fruit cocktail and slice everything. So this is our apple, and I'm going to peel and slice it. So done slicing of our apple, just cut it as small as like this. Then soak it in our syrup from fruit cocktail. So while soaking the apple, so here's our coconut. Then grate it. So after grating our coconut, let's keep it inside the fridge or our ice box, and because we're going to slice our cheese. But before that, let's drain our apple. So this is our cheese. I just put half of the cheese. I didn't put everything because I think it's too much for our ingredients. So in a food container, let's put our ingredients. So as you can see, I put the ingredients, everything, the apple, fruit cocktail, the milk, coconut, and then the cream. Then let's add our cheese. And then after you mix or stir everything, just keep inside the fridge to make it chill, and then it's ready to eat.